Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, it's been a very remarkable summer so far. We just haven't had that much humidity, but you felt that change today, and that change will stick around for the next several days. Tomorrow is hot and humid. Now it's going to be a little more humid at the coast. Look for dew points there in the mid-60s. Inland will be a little improved on that. We'll be in the low 60s, but that's still sticky, especially given to the kind of heat we will experience. The bottom line is this: it will be a hot feeling day. We'll put up those temperatures in just a second. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Look at this. Dew points still in the mid to upper 60s, staying muggy. And then it looks like Sunday, and perhaps not until Monday and Tuesday, do we push out the humidity and bring back the comfortable weather. Right now, we're looking at high temperatures today that were just shy of 90 in a few spots. Westerly, you made it up to 84, Providence 86, and Smithfield made it up to 82. I do think many locations do hit the low 90s tomorrow. Looks like things are wrapping up after the fireworks at Oakland Beach and Warwick, and we are free and clear of precipitation on live Pinpoint Doppler 12. A few low clouds overnight, perhaps a little fog at the coast during the morning hours and even through the interior of Bristol County, Massachusetts. But other than that, mostly clear skies. We have some showers down in the mid-Atlantic, but we're not getting that tomorrow. We will get some of the humidity and some of that warmth surging in from the southwest. So tomorrow's high temperatures are hot. 92 at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 4 p.m. upper 80s with a breeze out of the southwest at around 5 to 15, maybe 10 to 15 miles an hour by the afternoon. Keep in mind, southwesterly winds in Providence are warm even for the capital city and along the entire West Bay for places like Cranston and Warwick. Now at the beach, it will also be warm. Look for mid-80s early afternoon, and then by the late afternoon, those winds from the southwest will start to cool things off a bit. If you're heading out on the water, maybe going after some stripers for fishing, looking good. A little fog is possible in the morning. Waves around 2 feet and high tide on the way at 10 o'clock in the morning under mostly sunny skies once we get rid of some of that patchy fog. If you're waiting for maybe things to get a little cooler at the coast, you'll likely have to wait until after 2, 3, maybe 4 p.m. That's when those southwesterly breezes start to pull these temperatures down from the mid-80s into the low 80s. So westerly at 81 degrees, Charlestown at 80, and Narragansett down to 77. Remember, that would be late afternoon temperatures after the mid-80s earlier. Now we get inland, away from Narragansett Bay. I think 90s will be the general rule. 91 for Woonsocket, 91 Johnston, West Warwick in the low 90s, and 88 in Foster. A lot of this will be cloud cover dependent. There will be some of those fair weather cumulus clouds popping up off and on during the afternoon. If you're in a location that has a few more of those, you stay in the upper 80s. But if you get sunshine for a good part of the afternoon, which some of us will get, then 90s will be pretty easy to do. 91 Seekonk, 90 Attleboro. One surprised to see a few locations actually get into the mid-90s. So on Thursday, there are some changes on the way. Most of it will come in the form of those breezes from the south and southeast. That will cool us off a little bit, but it's all relative. Still a warm day and still a very muggy day on Thursday with the chance of some afternoon showers and thunderstorms. However, this is a key point. A lot of dry time. In fact, most of Thursday will be rain-free. On Friday, a mix of sun and clouds, temperatures in the low 80s. And then on Saturday, still quite humid, chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Timing, we'll still have to look at more information to give you details on that, but don't expect an all-day rain event on Saturday. Then on Sunday, going for 83, still pretty humid. And then Monday and Tuesday, we clear out the humidity and dry out the skies with temperatures back into the low 80s. But definitely a big shift in our weather pattern, a little more unsettled and definitely more humid.
At least it was nice for the fireworks in Warwick. They had to postpone them from Friday night.
That's right. Yeah, they had some weather issues on Friday night, so tonight it worked out.
All right. Thank you, Pete.
Yep.
Covering America now. Call this the